hydrochloric acid. What's the real deal? Is it dangerous to touch or inhale? And did you know it's in your body too? Let's dive in. But first, hit that subscribe button for more intriguing science videos. HCl, made of hydrogen and chlorine, is a strong, colorless acid with a sharp taste. It's widely used in labs and industry. Industrial HCl, including what you can buy, has a concentration of about 30%. Fun fact, it's also in your stomach as gastric acid, crucial for digestion and infection prevention. But don't worry, your stomach's thick mucus layer protects it from harm. Handling HCl requires care. It's corrosive and can harm living tissues. Always wear rubber gloves, a mask to protect your respiratory system, and safety goggles to shield your eyes. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget, if you need products or raw materials, contact us via WhatsApp. Until next time, stay safe and curious. Goodbye.